everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be giving you guys a tour of my current desk setup. So first, let's start off with the keyboard that I use since I have gotten a few comments about my keyboard. Here's a short clip of how typing on my keyboard with blue switches sound like. Here I am showing you the two light settings that are available on my keyboard. My keyboard is from the brand Mage G and it comes in a set with the pink mechanical keyboard and pink gaming mouse. I got this product off Amazon, but I don't think it is available on there anymore. I'll still include links to the same keyboard but in a different color and other pink keyboard alternatives in the description below. My PC is a custom built one, and pause now if you are interested in its specs. My monitor is the 27-inch Full HD monitor from Samsung, and I use it to edit videos like this one, study, watch shows, and play games. The speakers that I have are also from Amazon, which will also be linked down below. I think that this pair of speakers work really well for the price and they match my overall setup so well. Here's how they sound. I'm holding my desires, my heart overflows. The only direction that... Now moving on to my favorite side of the desk, I have a lamp and a beautiful dried up bouquet I got from my boyfriend this last Valentine's Day. I made sure to dry the flowers so that I could keep them for a long time. Now let me show you the other miscellaneous items and desk accessories that I keep in my setup. First, I have this really cute foldable pencil case that I bought spontaneously but I love to death. And in it, I keep some of my favorite stationery. This pencil deserves a special shout out because the grip on it is so nice to hold and the Sumiko Kurashi characters on it is too cute. And not to mention the grip accessory I bought for my Apple Pencil. Let me know if you would like to see more videos on my iPad. And the reason I'm showing you this pink notebook is because it is the notebook I use to write down ideas I have for my YouTube channel. What kind of videos would you like to see me make? And of course my pink controller I use to play games, which also matches my setup. I wonder if people can tell what's my favorite color. This headphone holder is so useful as it allows my headphones to be kept away from all the clutter on my table and is also positioned in a convenient spot for me to quickly grab my headphones when I need it. I love my PC and it gets the job done for me. But I do wish to upgrade my PC and my overall setup, maybe add more pink. And when I do, I'll definitely film another desk setup tour for you guys. Till then, thanks everyone for watching!